so welcome and welcome back to my channel, guys. If you've been here for a while, you probably noticed na dalawa na lang yung natira sa channel ko and yung iba is ni private ko na. And as far as I remember, my last upload was my birthday vlog. So ayun, maybe some of you are wondering bakit ko siya ni private. Well, I've been through a lot lately and I don't really want to go into details, but I just needed time to breathe, to think, and to recenter myself. Alam niyo yung feeling na parang kailangan mong lumayo muna sa ingay para marinig ulit yung sarili mo. Ganon siya. So, during those quiet moments, I realized so many things about life, about people, about peace, about growth, na minsan pala hindi mo kailangan ipilit lahat ng bagay. Some people are really meant to stay and some are meant to teach you lessons you didn't know you needed, and that's okay. So one of the biggest lesson I learned lately is to protect your energy. Like, it's really important to be aware kung sino yung mga tao sa paligid mo. Kasi the people you surround yourself with will reflect how you see yourself and how you grow. So if you're surrounded by people who constantly drain your energy, you'll slowly lose pieces of yourself without even noticing. Pero if you choose to be around people who genuinely bring you the best in you, so everything starts to feel lighter. So, totoo siya yung sabi-sabi na healing starts when you stop forcing things that are no longer aligned with your peace. So, hindi mo kailangan pilitin yung mga bagay or tao na hindi na nag-feel safe or genuine. Because the right people won't make you question your worth. They'll make you remember it. And I hope you also remember that being kind doesn't cost anything. The world already feels so heavy and people are fighting battles you might not see. Kaya as much as possible, guys, be that person who chooses to understand instead of judge. Be kind of person who makes other feel safe just by being around. Sometimes that all someone needs, a little kindness, a little patience, a little light. And to those who are also going through something right now, please know that things will get better. Hindi man ngayon, hindi man bukas, but one day, everything will make sense. The pain you're feeling right now will one day become the reason why you're stronger, wiser, and more gentle with yourself. So, take it slow. You are allowed to rest. You are allowed to pause. So, yeah, it's kind of where I've been lately. It's been a mix of learning, unlearning, and just choosing peace every day. Anyway, it's November 14, Friday, 12:49 a.m. and I decided to start filming now since this week's gonna be a busy one. So, mamayang 1 p.m., pupunta kami ng UNIV to fix our thesis requirements like magpapapirma sa SS and all that stuff. I honestly miss talking to you guys, like sitting down and just sharing random thoughts. Parang this channel became my little safe space din kasi, and I really wanna make more videos that not only show what I do but also reflect what I've learned. Alam mo yung parang gusto ko na bawat video, may meaning, may story, may mararamdaman kayo, ganon. So ayun, that's the vibe for today's vlog. Just me doing my usual week stuff, but also appreciating the little things again. And I hope through this video, ma-remind din kayo na it's okay to start over, to slow down, and to keep choosing people and things that make your world a little brighter. Because at the end of the day, peace is really everything. And once you have that, you'll realize na you don't need too much, just genuine people, small moments, and a heart that's still willing to try. So, dito guys, as you can see, nagpapaprint kami, and here naman is, we need to double check all the formats before siya i-print para lang, yeah, just to make it sure. So, our first stop is for content validation. But sadly, sir is currently in his class. So, dito naman is papunta kami sa isang prof para magpa-pirma and ipa-check yung thesis namin. And then, nandito na kami sa faculty para ipa-check naman sa SS. For the 5th time. And yep, that's me. Waiting kasi may ibang group pa before us. And yes, gutom na ako dyan. So, right after marebe yung amin, ayan, nagka-time pa sila magbandagulan. So, finally, tapos na yung checking. So, we're choosing where to eat kasi inabot na kami ng gabi. So, it's dinner time and we choose the nearby spot kasi medyo maulan. Hindi na rin ako nakapag-shoot kanina after ko magbihis kasi nagmamadali na ako. Like, legit, akala ko late na ako. Tapos, ayun pala, ending, pagdating namin doon, na-resked pa ng 1 hour. So, hindi na rin ako nakapag-update kagabi kasi medyo sinama yung pakiramdam ko. Kaya, nagpahinga agad ako. So, fun fact lang guys, na alam nyo ba na 7 years old pa lang ako. May inaanak na ako. And now that I'm 21, grabe, 32 na sila. 33 na pala ngayon kasi nadagdagan na naman, kaya good luck na lang talaga sa akin sa Pasko, parang ang dami kong kailangan i-budget. So after ng binyag is ang plano dapat namin, pupunta kami ng Goldilocks or Red Ribbon, kaso hindi nga natuloy gawat wala kaming service guys. Ang kasama ko sana yung dalawa kong kaibigan na lalaki. Kaya ang ending, ayun, pinataglay ko na lang sa boyfriend ko para siya yung bumili para dun sa surprise cake namin dun sa dalawa kong girlfriends na nag-birthday and mag-birthday. Si Aina kasi is November 11, tas si Yana is sa 17, and may celebration si Shaina ngayon, kaya we decided na magsabay na lang yung cake and surprise. Pero ayun lang yung pinakang surprise namin, yung cake. Si Yana kasi medyo busy siya sa board exam prep niya. Kaya after nun, baka mag-chill kami, maybe get a little tipsy, at syempre baka hindi na ako makapag-vlog after nun. Pero I'll try pa rin. Sobrang excited na ako to spend these days with them even though lahat kami busy
or kahit medyo bihira magtugma yung schedules namin. Nakakatuwa na nagkaroon pa rin kami ng time to celebrate the small things. And honestly, every moment with them I really treasure. Kumbaga, it's not just the laughter or the cake, pero yung kwentuhan namin, yung inside jokes na minsan walang sense pero napapatawa ka, yung simpleng bonding moments, lahat yon priceless. And sometimes, you realize na you don't need everything to be perfect just to be happy. Ayun, kahit simple lang, basta kasama mo yung mga tao na mahalaga sa'yo, parang okay na yung lahat. Kaya sobrang thankful ako na ilang years ko na silang kasama. Grabe, ang dami na naming memories. Even the smallest moments really matter. Yung feeling na kahit medyo sablay minsan yung timing or plano, yung presence nila, yung energy nila, yung simpleng moments lang yun, yun yung pinaka-importante and hindi mo malilimutan. And habang kasama ko sila ngayon, na-realize ko na mas okay rin minsan na huminto saglit. Enjoy yung present at maging thankful sa mga taong nandyan sa paligid mo. Kasi honestly, sa dami ng busy life natin, minsan nakakalimutan natin yung mga simpleng bagay na talagang meaningful. So yeah, today is just another reminder to really appreciate the people around you. Every little moment at kahit simpleng banding lang, it really matters. So ayun, enough na sa yapping. So stay tuned guys kasi marami pang mangyayari today. So see ya!
So, ayun, nagpapacheck ulit kami ng thesis for the 6th time. And after that, we need to go home na kasi biglang may birthday celebration si Yana. Also, we waited almost 3 to 4 hours yata pag-aantay lang ng pirma. And finally, uwian na, te. So, dito guys, bumahay pa talaga kami ng SM Mega Mall para lang bumili ng new phone. And then, after namin tumingin and bumili, dumiretso na kami sa food court, guys, para makapag-lunch kasi gusto na rin namin umuwi agad. And after namin mag-lunch, guys, nag-take out lang kami sa KK. And yun, inaantay lang namin dito yung driver namin para makauwi na kami. So, dito guys, hindi ko na kayo naisama sa pag-get ready ko kasi nagdudumali na kami. And yan, dyan na kami pupunta sa Pronoya para sa photoshoot namin sa pinning ceremony. Kasi i-flash yun sa screen, guys. Yan sila. So, tapos na ako makapag-shoot dyan, guys. Si Arlo na yung next. Hindi na ako nakapag-video kasi late na kami.
Happy birthday to you!
Extra plate.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hi guys, good morning. It's Monday. Already 8:15. I'm finally done getting ready na. So, may ganap kami today sa Unib sa gym. Siya gaganap and required kaming umattend. As in 6:30 sharp that nandun na. And required din na naka-orange. And honestly, wala talaga ako sa mood na agahan pumasok. It's Monday, girl, and I don't know why, pero alam nyo yung Monday feeling na hindi naman tayo pagod, pero pagod tayo. Like, valid naman siguro, di ba? Alam nyo ba, guys, may psychological thing na sa Mondays are so heavy, as in the pressure of the whole week, parang magpapile up na agad kahit kagigising mo pa lang. That's why, minsan parang hindi nagme-make sense yung energy natin. So, see? It's not just me, it's the universe. Eme. So, parang gusto mo maging productive pero gusto mo rin bumalik sa tulog. Ganun siya. Anyway, samahan niyo ako today sa ganap ko and sorry na agad guys in advance if hindi ako makakapag-video ng maayos doon kasi shy type pa rin ako, like hindi pa talaga ako sanay mag-vlog or magsalita in public. I mean, magsalita sa camera in public. Alam mo yung feeling na parang nakatingin lahat sa'yo kahit hindi naman. Ganun siya. But I'll try my best. So, ayun. Let's see how this Monday turns out.
So, ayan, this is us on our way na papunta sa gym. Sa Univ kasi may required kaming attend na sessions today. So, walkathon muna kami dito. And for the first session, guys, ang guest speaker namin ay si Miss Marian L. Barile. And yung topic niya is all about fundamentals of effective sales pitching. So, more on how to present, how to sell your product, ganon. Parang personality development and confidence booster na rin. For the second session naman, ang topic is Guides for Student Entrepreneur in order to protect one's intellectual property. So, kasama natin dito si Sir Dan Azriel San Agustin. So, dito malalaman natin kung paano ba maprotektahan ang business ideas natin. Ganun. Kasi syempre ayaw natin na may mangongopya, diba? And yan, hi kay Doc AJ. And for the third session naman, andyan si Sir John Larry Arias para naman sa financial literacy. So, ito yung pinaka-importante honestly kasi paano ka magbi-business kung hindi mo alam i-manage yung pera mo, di ba? So, ayan, dapat marunong ka mag-handle. And overall, super helpful nitong araw na to. Nakakapagod but it's worth it, lalo na for future entrepreneurs like us. Kaya, laban lang mga ka-marketing. So, after matapos yung mga sessions, ayun, nag-decide kami na kumain muna sa Burp. Malapit lang siya sa Unib. So, perfect siya para magpahinga sa lugit. And gutom na rin kasi kami, guys. Then, after kumain, dumiretso na ako sa clinic kasi may braces adjustment pa ako. So, kailangan maayos na yung ngipin ko kasi the next day, pinning ceremony na namin. So, ayan na, the day we've been waiting for. Pinning ceremony 2025. Ang bilis, grabe. Parang kailan lang na first year pa lang kami nangangapa. Hindi alam kung ano mangyayari sa college life. And now, look at us, almost graduating. Habang nagsisimula yung program, may opening remarks, introduction of guests, lahat formal. Pero inside me, my heart's racing. I'm nervous pero excited. Mixed emotions talaga. And habang nakaupo, I can't help but reflect. Lahat ng pinagdaanan ko, the times I feel lost, the days I question myself kung kaya ko pa ba, yung mga gabing puro iyak kasi pagod na sa academics and life. Lahat yon biglang nag-flashback sa utak ko. And then, ayan na, tinawag na yung name ko. Every step papunta sa stage felt heavy and light at the same time. Heavy kasi ang daming sacrifices. Light kasi alam kong I earned this moment. I was with my mom, and kahit minsan hindi ko sinasabi lahat, she stays. She prays for me, support me quietly, and loves me. And after ko bumaba sa stage, I took a deep breath and sabi ko talaga sa sarili ko na thesis and OJT na lang, tapos graduation na. We're closer to the finish line na talaga. The line we once thought was too far away, pero ito tayo ngayon, konting push na lang and we're already stepping into real world. Ang dami na nating nalampasan, ang dami na nating natutunan, not only sa books and modules, but in life. This pinning ceremony reminded me that slow progress is still progress. And every little effort counts. Every late night and early morning matters. We're almost there. We're getting ready for real life. And after ng pinning ceremony, ayan, this is us with my circles. Syempre, hindi pwedeng umuwi agad. We went to a coffee shop to celebrate our small wins, like na-appreciate ko talaga each one of them. I mean, college would have been so much harder if I didn't have these people by my side. Yung tipong kahit pagod, kakayanin basta sabay-sabay. And as we step closer to graduation, I just know there are more milestones waiting for us. More challenges, more stories, more reasons to be proud. So here's the growth, here's the learning, and here's to becoming the best version of ourselves. Until the next chapter, stay tuned guys.